Meaning of in-flight.
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 In-flight. In-flight refers to anything that happens or exists while a flight is in progress. This term can be used to describe activities or events that occur on an airplane, such as in-flight entertainment or food service. It can also refer to the status of a flight, such as its location or estimated time of arrival, while it is in progress. In summary, in-flight simply refers to anything that occurs during the duration of a flight, from the moment it takes off to the moment it lands.